Flow style. One of the most requested video. I was going to make a video on this when this thing is gonna be useful for us, but doesn't seem like that day is gonna come. And for those who don't know what flow style is, let me show you an example.
13 years old with a shoebox. I'm always up with something, never sitting on my ass. Nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash. I got a real ambition for this cash. Yeah, 13 years old with a shoebox stash. Yeah, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my.
I hope you have got the idea of what flow style is. And in this style your edit mainly depends on your clip selection. So the better your clips, the better your edit will look. But where to get the clips? So there are many sources, but I am not going to mention any in this video. But check the description, you may find something useful. But anyway, these are the topics I'm going to cover, but not in this video. There will be a separate video for each topic, and in this video I'm only going to talk about how to time remap and a few other things. So this is the clip I'm going to use, and I will also show you how to time remap it, but there are a few things you need to consider before time remapping. So this is the original clip, and above it is the clip after time remapping. You can see the difference in their length, and the length isn't even covering the bookmark. What I'm trying to say is that your clip length might get messed up after time remap. So before time remapping, make sure that your clip's length exceeds the gap of the bookmark so that if it shrinks, it will still be within the bookmark. And if this doesn't work, then add more clips and create a crossfade. So make sure to measure your clip before time remap. Let's see how you can time remap. There might be other apps available, but I'm going to use this app called capcut. Here you will see the time remap option. This is pretty much useless because it's just like CapCut, only has presets. What we need is this curve tool. Here you get curve with 4 points, and you can also add more points in it. You can drag it upward or downward to adjust the speed. I'm going to make the basic fast slow fast curve. So I will drag it like this to make the beginning part faster, and at this point, I want it to slow down a little. I will move it like this so that it quickly gains the speed. Once you're done, enable this thing to add optical. Check if everything's good, and then export. So after you're done time remapping, remove the part that you don't need, and position the clips. Focus on the camera and character movement. For example, the character movement in these two clips are very similar. It may not look like because we haven't. You just need to precisely cut it to create a perfect transition. It's pretty simple. Now I'm gonna trim and position the clips. It's quite boring to watch, so feel free to skip this. So I'm almost done trimming and this is how it look. Anyway, once you're done, create an adjustment layer like this and add directional blur in it. Now trim it to 2 frames. And also place it between the clips so that it covers the ending and the beginning parts of the clips, or just do what I'm doing. Make sure it covers both the clips by 1 frame. Do the same with all the other clip. And I forgot to mention, but also adjust the angle of the directional blur according to the motion of the clip. Don't forget to do this because it makes the transition a little more seamless. So that's all for this video. The next video will be on transitions and shake.